So what I do is, so I have 3 notebooks. So the first one that I use is to write everything that comes to my mind, like everything that needs to be done, everything that I would like to do if I have time, every ideas that cross my mind, and whether they seem realistic or they seem, something that can go somewhere. I write everything. Now, I just read a book called Take Back Your Time by Chrissy Wright, and she explained inside that when you have that kind of notebooks, you can write all the ideas that you're gonna use and that can be helpful, that are realistic. Let's say something that you're kind of sure you're gonna do, because not all idea are the greatest, and they're gonna lead to something. But so you're gonna have that section, that first section, where you put all the ideas that you think they're gonna go somewhere, all your priorities, everything that you need to do, everything that needs to happen. So you put all that in one section. So what I do is I put it at the front of the notebook going forward, and the rest of the kind of junk ideas, the ideas that I will do if I have time, the ideas that look good on paper but I'm not sure I'm gonna do them, so all that kind of stuff. So I put them at the back. So I start at the back of the notebook instead of from front to back. Now I go from back to front, and at some point they're gonna meet at the middle, but I haven't reached that point yet, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I probably gonna just switch notebooks and create a new one. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. But this is what I do. So one notebooks, every ideas, the more relevant, the more important, the priorities, they're gonna be from front to back of the notebooks. And the other ideas, junk ideas, something that I would like to do if I have time, they're gonna go from back to front. So that's the first notebook.